So it's a busy day at the chateau today. I'm actually quite tired. It's the halfway point for yoga teacher training, but it's busy because we've got our archivists coming back to, I guess they've been here a few times already. I would say maybe 6+ times. So when we inherited the chateau, we found lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of really old documents dating from the 1600s all the way to the 1800s. We've got the retired director of the Tarn Archives and the retired director of the Old Archives, and they're so kindly helping us out with this. So Glen is going to prepare the cafetière for them. We bought some croissants for them. They like to go out to the lovely village of Lautrec, which you can just go through there. It's a nice, beautiful day today. And so we bought a new cafetière because last year we were doing the yoga teacher training plus Airbnb, and people were liking our coffee. Then we bought an espresso machine and people didn't know how to work that out. Okay, so let's see the preparations.
A new coffee machine, courtesy of SMEG.
j'ai Castor, j'ai Chocolat et j'ai Ferdinand. Oui. Il n'y a pas de photos, je ne pense pas. Bon, il y en a peu. C'est surtout dans les mystiques ou la